To be very honest, I didn't had hopes then. Like with a 80 percentile that I can convert Welingker Bangalore. People usually say that MBA is more of pure learning, but it is clearly evident in my case. Like I wasn't the same before, so it helped me in changing myself.
And what's your role going to be in Schneider?
Like I got placed in the digital transformation consulting.
Yeah, that's a unique thing. Hi guys, welcome to the another session, the another episode at Welingker Bangalore. I have Pranati with me. I hope I pronounced it correctly.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So she's about to get her MBA done. Where are you from, by the way?
Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh.
Perfect. And you got through Welingker Bangalore via ATMA exam.
Yes, sir. At my exam.
What was your percentile?
80.
80. And you've got a decent package. If you are okay to disclose that, you can also do that.
Yes, sir.
Eventually, not a problem.
Yeah.
And 80% in ATMA fetching Welingker Bangalore, that's a big deal, isn't it?
Yeah.
And by the way, she got into one of the MNC. What's the name of the company?
Schneider Electric.
Perfect. So you can see, right? It's a great journey altogether. Pranati, a couple of questions for you. When you got 80% in ATMA, I hope that you might have not had a good chance in CAT or CMAT and other exams. Were you kind of disappointed or tense कि भाई कैसे होगा MBA आगे जाके and all that?
Yeah, definitely. I was a bit disappointed, and to be very honest, I didn't had hopes then. Like with a 80 percentile that I can convert Welingker Bangalore.
True.
So, but by then, like I had an opportunity to work with Accenture. So I immediately joined Accenture that this year this not gonna happen.
Okay.
So I was like,
oh, so you thought nahi kuch hoga, so let me get a work
let me get into the Accenture and then start preparing simultaneously so that I can be the 24 graduate. So that was my plan.
Okay.
But then I thought that let's not give away this opportunity. Let's try my best, and then if it is not done, then I'm fine with it. But I thought I should not leave it without trying it. So, but then I gave my best in the interview and the process of this Welingker. And I'm fortunate enough that I converted Welingker Bangalore.
How has been the experience over a period of 1.5 or 2 years now?
It's been great. Like there's so many learnings. So of course there's some good experiences, bad experiences as well. But end of the day, there's so many takeaways and learning. So I got opportunity to meet different mindset of people. Like people usually say that MBA is more of pure learning, but it is clearly evident in my case. Like I got to know so many things from my friends as well, apart from the mentors here.
Right.
So the journey has been great, and I've learned so much, and it helped me in transforming my personality as well. Like I wasn't the same before, so it helped me in changing myself.
No, MBA does transform you as a person.
Yeah, it did transform me in a better way.
And what's your program? Is it PGDM
E-business.
E-business.
Yeah.
Achha. And what's your role going to be in Schneider?
Like I got placed in the digital transformation consulting.
Yeah, that's a unique thing. What was that?
Digital transformation consulting.
Wow. Can you give us a little bit more idea about the entire profile, if you have any idea about it?
Yeah, it is more about as everyone know that Schneider Electric is more into the manufacturing. So they'll take up the projects and for example, recently they took up the Tanishq project. They made it the most efficient one.
Oh.
So they increase the efficiency. They take up a different set of projects, and so for that particular, we have to transform them digitally. So everything related to it has to be maintained.
So it's basically a consult vertical. Agar dekha jaye to.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. One last question to you.
Sure.
Did you feel that 80% ATMA mein, I'm joining Welingker Bangalore, it's a pretty good brand and all that. Does it really matter your percentile when you get inside the B school?
It doesn't matter at all.
Right.
But I had a different opinion before joining. Like I was a bit skeptical about this thing that
because you had a low percentile and you were
I
getting
had a low percentile that maybe I will have a less chance in the placement or maybe I will not do well in the MBA or something. I had so many doubts prior to my MBA, but then once I'm here, it's like everyone is in the same level. It only matters how you start from now.
Right.
Like, what you are prior to MBA doesn't matter here. It only matters like everyone is given an equal and fair chance. It's up to you how you take it and how forward you go.
True. No, one thing I really want to make a mention, in India, this is kind of a mentality that a lot of students may have, saying that if the college's percentile is lower, at the lower side, the college isn't that great. that is not the correct thing, because now the world has become so much dynamic. Percentile does not decide students' caliber. Likewise, it does not also decide that particular college's caliber, because there are students with lower side percentile doing amazingly great things in their lives, getting into like big MNCs, like Fortune 500 companies in the world. So it's at the end of the day your metal that you need to prove when you are back in the game. So Praniti, thank you so very much for joining in.
Thank you so much.
I hope this video is going to help a lot of students out there, and keep killing. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's my honor to hear all these words from you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.